Looking for the ultimate portable fan for camping, power outages, or your next outdoor adventure? Today we're testing out the OGERY 2025 upgraded camping fan. And let me tell you, this little fan might just be a game changer. Okay, let's see how this one works. It has a knob in the center. That one, you can turn on the fan with that. It has level 20%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. So the more you turn up the knob, goes 50, 75, and 100. Ooh, it's pretty good. It's strong. Cool. Let's leave it on 20% or 50%. Okay, the first one is to turn on and turn off the LED lights on this one here on the front. You can turn it on and off, because if you're at night, maybe you don't like the brightness of this, so you can turn it off. But for now, we're gonna leave it on. The second button, this one, is for the light. This one has a light. That's cool. So let's see. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. So has 3 levels of brightness. 1, 2, and 3. And then the third button in here is for the rotation of the fan. So it has 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees. Okay, that's 30. So that's 30. Let's put it 60, and now this is 60. And now let's put it 90. 90. This is 90. And that's 90. Let's put it 120 degrees. Let's see that. Okay, so that's 120. Let's turn it off. And then the last one is a timer. You can leave it on for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and I think it's 8 hours. So you can leave it that one, and in an hour it's going to turn off automatically. And then you can put it 2 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. Or you can leave it on all the time. Just turn this one off, and that's it. And another cool feature, it has a hook in the bottom of the fan, this one, so you can hold it, put it on the roof like this. Amazing, and turn it on. Look at that. And this can be rotating like that. Cool. So amazing. It has a hook in the bottom. Okay, also there's another cool feature. This it has a USB-C on the back and a USB-A. This one is to in and out, and this one is only for out, so you can charge it. It's rechargeable, and this one you can use it as a power bank too. So let's test it out. So let's connect it here. As you can see, it's charging my battery. So I can charge the batteries here. And let's see if I can charge my phone. Yes, it's charging my phone. Let's test it again. Yes, it's charging. Cool. So it works for charging. And another cool feature is that it comes with a remote. So this one, let's see. Woohoo! So you can turn it on here, the fan, plus and minus, and the light on the side, and then you can turn it off in the center. The timer is here, to turn off the lights, the LED lights. You can leave it on. And then this one in the center is it's for the rotation. This button in the center is for the rotation. You can see that it's rotating. Cool. And let's see, the light is here. Look at that. It beeps, that's cool. And then off. How do I turn it off in the minus. Yes. And then turn it off. Amazing, it works. The remote, it works pretty good. So is the OGERY F11 worth it? For under 50 bucks, yes. This is easily one of the best portable camping fan out there. Powerful airflow, crazy battery life, and dual function as a light and a charger. Hard to beat. Whether you are off-grid, in a tent, or stuck during a blackout, this fan got your back, so I do recommend it. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool gadget reviews, and thank you for watching. God bless you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.